In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track budgets in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. The first step you want to take is to click the Create button in the top left corner of your Asana workspace. Once that menu pops up, go ahead and select the option for creating a blank project. This gives you a clean slate to work on, just like a fresh canvas for an artist. Now, you'll need to enter a clear and concise name for your project. I recommend something straightforward, like budget tracking. This way, you'll be able to identify it easily among your other projects. Next up, you'll want to choose your preferred project view. Asana offers different views like list, board, or calendar, depending on what makes the most sense for how you want to visualize your budget. Once you've made your selection, click the button to create your new workspace. Now that we have our project set up, it's time to organize it a bit more. I suggest creating sections within your project to categorize different types of expenses or financial goals. This could include sections like housing, transportation, food, or savings, depending on what fits your needs. To add a section, simply click on the Add Section option and type in your chosen category. After you've organized your sections, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty. Locate and click the plus icon situated next to the last column in your table. This lets you add new columns to capture different pieces of information related to your budget. When the column type menu appears, select Numbers. This is essential because our budget is very much about financial and numerical data entry, so having the right column type is crucial. Now let's label those columns. You might want to have labels like budgeted amount for what you intend to spend and another column for actual spending, where you'll input how much you actually spent. This simple distinction can help you keep track of whether you're staying on budget or if adjustments are necessary. With your columns ready, it's time to enter your financial data into the rows. You can start filling in your categories under each of your sections. As you add these numbers in, you'll notice that Asana automatically calculates sums for you at the column bottom. This feature can really save you time and effort. No need for manual calculations. And just like that, you're done with setting up your budget tracking project in Asana. It's an intuitive way to keep your finances organized and allows you to see a quick overview of your spending habits over time. So take a moment now to check your result. Verify that all your sections, columns, and rows are set up properly, and don't forget to keep it updated as you go along. Regular tracking is the key to effective budgeting. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this guide on how to track budgets in Asana was helpful. Remember, a well-organized budget can lead to better financial decisions. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and like it so you don't miss out on any future content.